Hi and everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Your next promotion is not just a step up in your career, it's a step closer to your dreams, your respect and your financial growth. The bank promotion exams 2026-2027 are your golden opportunity and I am here to make sure you grab it with both hands. In this journey, we'll learn smart strategies, master important topics, and tackle questions just like the exam demands. Remember, success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who prepare. So let's start today. Prepare smartly and make your promotion in 2026 2027 a reality. Welcome to part 18 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series, where I break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear, practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Subject: Deposit products, miscellaneous deposit products. Question: The customer profile sheet mandates that accounts of which category be classified as high risk regardless of other factors, except where promoted by GUN or its agencies. Option A: Salaried service accounts. Option B: Accounts of NGOs. Option C: Student accounts. Option D: Pensioner accounts. Correct answer is option B: Accounts of NGOs. Question: According to the customer profile sheet's mandatory categorization, which business type is mandatorily classified as medium risk? Option A: Jewelers. Option B: Bullion dealers. Option C: Builders. Option D: Liquor and wine dealers. Correct answer is option C: Builders. Question: In the customer profile sheet, opening of a high risk account requires authorization from whom? Option A: the general manager. Option B: the branch head. Option C: the regional compliance officer. Option D: the chief manager operations. Correct answer is option B: the branch head. Question: In the joint Hindu family, HUF unstamped letter specimen who is authorized to jointly and severally represent and sign on behalf of the joint family, binding all members unless the account is restricted to operations by the Korta alone. Option A: only the eldest son. Option B: the members specifically named in the letter in addition to the Korta. Any member above 18 years of age automatically. Option D: the Korta's spouse only. Correct answer is option B. The members specifically named in the letter in addition to the Korta. Question: As per the HUF letters undertaking changes in the constitutions of the joint family, example death of a co-personal, birth of a co-personal, a member severing connections must be notified to the bank. Option A: within 30 days. Option B: within 90 days. Option C: at once in writing. Option D: only at the time of account renewal. Correct answer is option C: at once in writing. Question: Under the HUF letter, acts done on behalf of the joint family before the bank receives notice of a membership change remain binding on the family and its members until option A: the next audit cycle. Option B: all liabilities in respect of such acts are discharged. Option C: the account is closed. Option D: 1 year has elapsed from the change. Correct answer is option B: all liabilities in respect of such acts are discharged. Question: In the specimen consent letter for a mother to operate a minor's account, whose signature appears at the end authorizing the mother to act as guardian. Option A: the minor's mother. Option B: the minor's father. Option C: the bank manager. Option D: a magistrate. Correct answer is option B: the minor's father. Question: In the specimen indemnity to be signed by the mother as guardian of a Mohammedan minor whose father is deceased, the bank agrees to open the account without insisting on Option A, a death certificate of the father, an order of a court. Option C, other verification of the minor. Option D, a surety bond from a relative. Correct answer is option B, an order of a court. Question. In the same indemnity, mother as guardian of a Mohammedan minor, father deceased, the sureties who jointly guarantee payment of money due under the indemnity must sign along with witnesses. How many witnesses are required for the sureties? Signatures are shown in the specimen. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D none, only notarization. Correct answer is option B 2. Question. In the specimen declarations by parents where both parents are alive, even when no birth certificate is available, the parents undertake to furnish the birth, school birth, Gram Panchayat certificate. Option A within 6 months of account opening. Option B if and when they obtain the same from the concerned authority. Option C never as the declaration is treated as final proof. Option D within 1 year, failing which the account is frozen. Correct answer is option B if and when they obtain the same from the concerned authority. Question. In the specific declaration by the surviving parent, where one parent is deceased, the surviving parent's authority to operate the minor's account is claimed on the basis of option A, court appointed guardianship certificate, option B, the personal law by which the surviving parent is governed, option C, a bank board regulations, option D, mutual consent of the extended family. Correct answer is option B, the personal law by which the surviving parent is governed. Question. In the draft board regulation authorizing a company official to open and operate bank accounts, the regulation explicitly excludes delegations of which specific power to any officer, employee authorized to operate the account. Option A, the power to sign checks. Option B, the power to open any such accounts. Option C, the power to receive account statements. Option D, the power to close the account. Correct answer is option B, the power to open any such accounts. Question. Under the specimen regulations for opening accounts of limited companies, societies, what must happen when a change occurs in the governing body, managing committee, board of management? Option A. The account is automatically frozen until reactivated by the branch. Option B. The bank must be advised to the change and a fresh resolutions forwarded here forthwith. Option C. Nothing. The original resolution remains valid indefinitely. Option D. A fresh KYC of only the new officer is required to no resolutions needed. Correct answer is option B. The bank must be advised of the change and the fresh regulations forwarded herewith. Question. In the specific trust indemnity letter for a trust account, the trustees agree that every withdrawal from the account shall be deemed for purposes of the indemnity to be a withdrawal by option A, the trustee who physically withdraws it, option B, the Karta of the trust, option C, all the trustees jointly, option D, the bank itself as prospective trustee. Correct answer is option C, all the trustees jointly. Question. The trustee indemnity letter states the intent that the bank shall be in the same position as if the account were an ordinary current account, meaning the bank shall not be option A liable for interest on the account, option B affected with notice of the trust, option C required to maintain KYC records, option D obligated to issue passbooks. Correct answer is option B affected with notice of the trust. Question. In the specimen letter of thanks to the introducer of an account, the letter is signed off by which bank official? Option A, the branch head. Option B, the manager. Option C, the chief manager. Option D, the regional manager. Correct answer is option B, the manager. Sin. In the checklist for settlement of claims in accounts with a nomination clause, deceased depositor, which of the following is required alongside the applications for deceased claims settlement and death certificate? Option A, succession certificate mandatorily. Option B, proof of identifications of the nominee. Option C, a newspaper public notice. Option D, an affidavit from two independent witnesses unrelated to the claimant. Correct answer is option B, proof of identifications of the nominee. Question. For settlement of claims where there is no nominations and no survivor clause up to a specified threshold limit, what is the what is that monetary threshold mentioned in the checklist? Option A rupees 10 lakh, option B rupees 25 lakh, option C rupees 40 lakh, option D rupees 50 lakh. Correct answer is option C rupees 40 lakh. Question. In the claims without nomination requiring a declaration form claimants, what is the maximum claim amount up to which such a simplified declaration without additional legal representation is accepted as per the checklist? Option A rupees 1000, option B rupees 5000, option C rupees 10,000, option D rupees 25,000. Correct answer is option B rupees 5000. Question. For settlement of claims based on legal representations, succession certificate, letter of administration, probate, which additional document becomes unnecessary if the missing deceased status is already mentioned within that legal representations document itself. Option A, photograph of the claimant. Option B, KYC of the claimant. Option C, a separate court order or death certificate. Option D, the original passbook. Correct answer is option C, a separate court order or death certificate. As per the claim settlement matrix for a joint account operated as either survivor with a nominee registered, if one of the two account holders A dies while B is alive, what happens to the balance amount? Option A, it is paid entirely to nominee X. Option B, it is payable to survivor B. Option C, it is split equally between B and X. Option D, it is frozen until X attains majority. Correct answer is option B, it is payable to survivor B. Question. In the same either or survivor joint account with nomination, if both account holders A and B die, who receives the balance amount? Option A, the legal heirs of A and B jointly. Option B, nominee X. Option C, the Karta of the family. Option D, it sits to the government. Correct answer is option B, nominee X. Question. For a joint account operated jointly, both signatures required with nomination to X. If account holder A dies while B survives, to whom is the balance made payable? Option A, solely to B. Option B, solely to X. Option B, payable to B and the legal heirs of A jointly. Option D, frozen until a court order is produced. Correct answer is option C, payable to B and the legal heirs of A jointly. Question. For a jointly operated account without nominations, if both A and B die, to whom is the amount payable per the settlement matrix? Option A, to the bank's suspense account pending litigation. Option B, jointly to legal heirs of A and B for any of them mandated by all legal heirs. Option C, to the eldest legal heir automatically. Option D, equally divided compulsorily among all named legal heirs by the branch. Correct answer is option B, jointly to legal heirs of A and B for any of them mandated by all legal heirs. Question. In the checklist for settlement of claims regarding missing depositors, the report of non-traceability issued by police must be dated after how many years from the date of registration of the FIR? Option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 7 years, option D 10 years. Correct answer is option C 7 years. Question: which of the following is explicitly listed as an acceptable proof of identification of a missing depositor's nominee claimant in the missing depositor's checklist, apart from passport and driving license? Option A PAN card only. Option B voter's identity card issued by the Election Commission of India. Option C college identity card. Option D employer issued ID card. Correct answer is option B voter's identity card issued by the Election Commission of India. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe and share